How to do a green screen on CapCut. So if you have a green screen video and you don't know how to remove the green screen from the video and add another background, then here's how you can do it. Firstly, open CapCut in your device. Now to make this work, you need to have two clips. One which is background and another which is a green screen video. Import both of them into your CapCut. Drag or zoom in the background to fit the screen. After that's done, and then move on to your green screen video. I downloaded this from TikTok just for the demo. So you will see that there is a TikTok watermark. But make sure that your video has no watermark, because while removing background, watermark won't be removed. Now to make the background realistic, we need to add a blur effect. Go to the effects section and select the blur option. After that, adjust the blur. The blurring should be very minimal. Now let's move on to the green screen video. Select the green screen video and from the bottom panel, select the option overlay. Now drag it over the background. Now select the overlay and click on remove background. Then select Chroma Key and pick the color. Make sure that you're picking green color. Now slowly increase the intensity and the background will be removed. Tap on the tick icon to select the changes. Now drag the background across the overlay. Do the same with the blur effect. After you are done, then the video will look like this. Here you can still see the TikTok watermark, so make sure that your video has no watermark. And yeah, that is how you can do a green screen video on CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, and that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.